Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the table into Power Query and narrowing columns to the fields you care about. This reduces noise and speeds up later steps. Next, you identify which columns define a duplicate, one column, composite keys, or entire rows, and mark them mentally. Once done, sort or filter to visually confirm repeating values so you know your target. Make sure to keep an untouched original query step so you can revert if your definition of duplicate changes. You now select the column or set of columns that define duplicates and choose Remove Duplicates from the Home ribbon. Power Query keeps the first occurrence by default. If you need granular control, add an index column and group by to pick first, last, or an aggregated row. This is how you preserve a preferred record. For near duplicates, use merge with fuzzy matching or fuzzy grouping and adjust similarity. This helps when values vary by typos or punctuation. You finish by validating that row counts match expectations and adding conditional checks to ensure no key values were lost. Then close and load to push changes back to Excel or Power BI. Make sure to keep a backup query or use reference to preserve the original dataset in case you need to rerun a different strategy. If the output looks off, inspect the applied steps for order issues, confirm data types, and trim hidden whitespace or control characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.